Hello everyone, I'm Charlie Min, Editor-in-Chief of MotorPD.com from Korea. 2 weeks ago, we visited Kia Beat 3060, which is their flagship store located in Cheongdam, to attend unveiling of 2019 Kia Sportage. Yes, I said 2 weeks. Sorry for the delay. I was pretty caught up filming car reviews for 2019 Kia K900 and 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you haven't watched those yet, please check them out for us. Okay, back to the Sportage. Kia is calling the new guy the Bold Sportage. It not only has new design changes, but new powertrain and even new ADAS system. So let's see what has changed. First, let's start with exterior design. Because it is a facelift, it went through minor changes, focusing on details. This is what the new front design looks like. What do you think? First thing that catches my eyes is the new headlamp design. They're getting this from the all-new K3, which is essentially new version of Forte. But because Kia doesn't export the K3, let me show you what it looks like. It's got that cross-type 4-point LED DRL. It even has upgraded tiger nose grille. Each grille element became much bigger, giving bolder look. Under the headlamp, Kia has added a chrome strip that runs from fog lamp to the lower intake, giving the car more wider look. I personally think that chrome strip is simple but most effective change that happened to 2019 Kia Sportage. Below that, it's got redesigned air duct and skid plate. I know in Europe, Kia has introduced EcoDynamic Plus, which is a mild hybrid system applied on 2-liter diesel engine. But unfortunately, we don't have that mild hybrid system in Korea. In Korea, we get 2-liter diesel made it to 8-speed, or 2-liter gasoline engine made it to 6-speed automatic, or 1.6 diesel made it to 7-speed dual clutch system. Except new wheel design, no big changes can be found from the side, so let's move to the back. There used to be a chrome strip between two tail lamps for 2018 year model, but for 2019 they got rid of that, and I think it looks much more modern and clean. Kia slimmed the tail lamp design and changed the inside pattern from L to C. They even combined the reversing lamp with the reflectors together and revised the lower part of bumper design as well. Inside is pretty much similar, but now you can get the car with optional 8-inch frameless infotainment screen. Other than frameless screen, 2019 Sportage has upgraded driving aids. Now it has adaptive cruise control with Stop&Go functionality as well. The second row seat and trunk space remain unchanged. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. We'll be back with test drive of 2019 Kia Sportage. See you soon.